Hi again, everybody. Welcome to Thursday morning Perfect Storm Trading. I want to cover the rainbow triggers that I put out yesterday, show you what they did, and take a look at how you can expect this to work. When we have two potential points close together, we will often get one turn in between. So the first action of the day was setting up right as I was putting the video out. Made a low here at 628 and then traded up. This went up about 7.5 points. It doesn't look like a lot because I have the chart prices squeezed down. The next window, we're trading up into that rectangle I had marked and got a good short out of there. In the next one that came about 10:15, I wanted to mark this out because this is an important pattern. A lot of times the S&P will do a little W or a little M pattern, a little double top or double bottom. It's just, make the low, make the high, start up, retest, false break, and then reverse. The S&P does this repeatedly. You have to constantly be aware of this when trading in this market. Then we got into a sideways pattern, and if we're not making higher highs and higher lows, then we're going sideways. So as soon as that sideways activity starts, you can see where my cursor is right now. We had the high on the green bar, then we made a red bar with a wick low, and at that point there, the next couple bars stays in that range. So that's where you want to draw a rectangle or a couple of horizontal lines and watch the activity. So when you get into this zone here, you're either going to let this go because you're in consolidation, or you can take a breakout trade if you trade, get a close above or below the box area. Inside those two windows, there was never an occurrence of that happening, so we just continued sideways. We finally broke out once we were outside the windows, and that was a false break, and then the market went down. So then we had the two afternoon triggers. At that point, we were trading down, and then we got a little crazy here because it was Wednesday at 2 o'clock. Guess what that means, right? You know what that means. And then what happened? We got triggered at the time into a really good long. Volatility came back with that 2 o'clock activity, and then we corrected down into the final window of the day, and that set off a long up into the day session close. So again, I mean, just this is just an example. One tool, if you set it up and use it correctly, and use the price action with the tool to decide what you're going to do, you're going to get good trades. So that's it for today. We will be back again on Friday, and we will talk to you guys then.